In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Adspower Browser. We'll walk through creating your first browsing profile and then fine-tuning a couple of settings so everything runs smoothly. Think of a profile in Adspower as a self-contained browser environment. Each one keeps its own cookies, cache, and configuration, which is perfect for separating projects or client work. Start on the Adspower dashboard and click New Profile. This opens the profile editor where you'll fill in a few key details. For the name, choose a clear, friendly label that tells you at a glance what the profile is for. Consistent naming will save you a lot of searching later, especially if you manage many profiles. Next, pick the browser engine. You can choose between the Chrome-based Sun browser and the Firefox-based Flower browser. If you're unsure, the Chrome-based option is a great default because it tends to offer broader extension compatibility and a familiar feel. If your workflows or target sites are optimized for Firefox, Flower browser is the better match. Select the operating system you want to emulate. This helps your profile present itself like a Windows, Mac OS, or other environment. Match the OS to the context you expect for that account to keep things consistent and reduce any friction with websites. For the user agent, leaving it on auto is usually the safest choice. Adspower will generate a suitable, realistic user agent that fits the engine and OS you selected. Only change this if you have a specific requirement, as mismatched user agents can lead to detection issues or odd site behavior. Once your profile details look good, head to your account icon in the top corner and open Settings. This is where you can streamline your workflow. In Preferences, explore the options for profile templates. Templates let you preset defaults like engine, OS, and user agent, so future profiles are faster and more consistent to create. It's a simple way to maintain standards across a team or multiple projects. Then, open Local Settings to manage where Adspower stores its data on your computer. Choose a location with enough free space and good disk performance, ideally an SSD. Keeping your data on a reliable drive helps with stability and speed, and it makes backups or migrations simpler if you ever move to another machine. That's it. You've created a profile, understood the key choices behind it, and prepared your environment for smooth day-to-day use. If you keep names clear, stick with auto where you're unsure, and leverage templates, you'll be up and running in no time.